Today I'm going to show you how to make spiky hair for your Amigurumi dolls, similar to the hair you see here on Naruto. And the way I do this is by making strings of triangles similar to what you see here. Now I prefer to do several strings. I think for Naruto I did about 5 strings made from chaining 61. But you can make a one long chain if you prefer. Just decide how long you want it to be. Make it a multiple of 3 and then add 1 for the turning chain. So for this one, we're going to make a chain of 60. So continue making your chain. Okay, you can see here that I have a chain of about 61. Now I'm going to make the first triangle. Start by doing a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then a half double crochet in the next chain. And then a double crochet in the next chain. You see, if you look at it, it kind of has a triangle shape. For the first one, I'm actually going to turn the triangle on its side by counting out 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to slip stitch in that third chain. And what happens is that my triangle has kind of turned on its side. Now to continue for all the other triangles, begin by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do that triangle shape from this chain. So I'm going to single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to count out 3 from where the slip stitch connects to my original chain. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch into that one. And I'm going to continue that pattern for all the rest of the triangles. So once again, chain 4, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, half double crochet, double crochet. And then count from the slip stitch in the long chain, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into that spot. Continue this all the way across the chain. What you end up with is a chain that looks like this, chain of triangles. Don't worry about these gaps here. They'll be hidden when you sew the hair on. And when you fasten off at the end, leave a long tail. You'll use that to sew the hair on. Okay, in the next video, I'll show you how to sew this onto your amigurumi to create the spiky hair.